Hello everyone, I am Sanvi and today I would like to talk about Vedic Maths episode 2. And because this is the episode, I thought that instead of teaching you directly or telling you directly about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, let me tell you the common thing that every student wants to know, the tricks, which is table, and you want to learn tables till 100, you can learn it, but first let's learn from 1 to 5. So basically 1 to 5 table is quite easy and many of them can learn easily, but for those who are younger and for those who want to learn still, can follow these tricks. All right, so 1 is very easy. You just have to write you just have to write the numbers, so that's easy, so I'm going to skip that. 2 is the skip counting of 1. So basically if you write 2, let me use a lighter darker shade, and if I use 2, then you have to count one step more and write 4, then 6, and then so on. So this is also pretty easy and you can learn that. But if you learn all this, it will be easier for you to learn the other tables. Okay, so now you want to learn the table of 3, which is also very easy, but let me tell you the real ways. So first, I will make a grid. First, you have to make a grid, all right? No worries. Okay, now tell me, how many boxes do you want? You want 4, you want 3, you want 6. So I'm going to make 6. You have to make 6 actually. And then you have to make like 3 here and then 6 if you do it like this. So now can you count the boxes? Yes, it is 6, isn't it? So now let me ask you, how will you count? Will you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that? Don't write like that. Do this instead. So first write 1 here. Oh, let me choose a different color to make it vibrant. 1 here, 2 here. But it's okay. So let me remove this. And now 2 here, 2 here. So just a second. So 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. You just have to continue it in a different way. 6, 7, 8, 9. So now what you have to do, you have to take 0, 1, and 2. So 0 for these 3 places, 0, 0, 0. Just put it continuously. Then put 1, 1, and 1. And then you can put 2, 2, 2. And at the end, you have to write 3, 0. Now that is the table. So how you got the table is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. Wasn't that quite easy? And if you will do it fastly, quickly, then this table can only take 5 seconds. So now that you have learned the table of 3, let us move on to what? Yes, 4. So 4 is a very important, it's a very important part because you have so many sums with the number 4. And if you know the number 4 table, it'll be easier for you to multiply, isn't it? So now let's take the table of 4 and let me choose a different beautiful colors. And then if you want to write the table of 4, you should remember that 4 has 2 zeros On the left side, write 2 zeros, 2 ones, okay? 2 ones and 3 twos. Little confusing, but at the beginning it will. But then you'll be like, it's super easy, right? So then you have to write 3 2 times. Only the 2 will be repeated 3 times, but other numbers will be repeated. Let me write a little properly. So a 0, a 0, a 1, a 1, a 2, a 2, a 2. Yes. And then 3 in 3. And then at the end of 4. Now what you have to do is a little too easy, right? So 4, you have to follow the sequence. 4, 8, 6. No, it's not 6. No, you have to put 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. 4, again 4, again 8, again 6, again 2, again 0. So this is your table. Isn't that very, very, very easy? Just follow the sequence. And if you are not able to remember the sequence, just write the table of 2 backwards like 4, 2. But then you might have a little confusion because 6 and 8 does not come in a sequence. So I tell you that you can learn this set of numbers. And if you're not even that sure, then you have to learn a different method. That is 4 minus 2 equals 2. So first you have to write 4, right? So at the starting when you write the 4, after that you should remember to minus 2, which will be 2. And then you have to add 4, which will be 6. So you have to follow this sequence, but it will be pretty tough. Not that much you have to do. So just remember 4, 2, 6, 8, 0. It's very easy. And if you want, I will write 4, 2, 6, 8, 0 in my description box so that you want to copy in your notebook, or you can also copy it now. Next, we have an interesting table which is very easy, but I know you want to know that. So it is 5. 5. Let me tell you that 5 is a very beautiful number because either it will have its end as the lowest number or as its largest number, which is 0 or 5. So first step is you should start writing 0, 5, 0, 5, 10 times. 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. Not 10 times. You should write it 10. It should be like 10. 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So this is what you have to write at the right side because right side is always right. Now let me tell you what can I do for 5. Yeah. So you have to write first. Actually, I'm so sorry. First 5 will come, then 0 will come, not 0, 5, 0, 5. So it's a little mistake. And just put this, just remove this. Now, 5 is there. So first I have to write 0, 1, 1. What will you put? Yes, 2, 2, and then 3, 3, 4, 4, and the other 5 that we put, we could add a 0 then. So 0 was already there, now 5 was there, so it's 50. And that's how you get a table. But the 5 table is quite easy, so I don't think that you require so much time. But I know that you're an amazing learner because you are taking out your time to study for yourself and you're watching this video so that you can understand. So that is very beautiful. And I hope you all the best. Now, very soon, I'm going to give you the tricks of 5 to 10 because 5 to 10 is it might be a little tricky more than 1 to 5 because it has larger numbers and it has a little tricky series because there are some tricks you won't be able to understand, but trust me, I'll put them in a very easy way so that you don't have to fear. And every time you do maths, you're like, yes, I want to do more. So thank you so much for watching this video, but I want you to prepare so well for exam that you top. And this is the end of the video. Bye. Have a good day.